Okay, I am in divided integers number 2 form. Number 1 says the opposite of 15 divided by -3. So what is the opposite of 15? Well, here's 15. The opposite of 15 would be -15. And if I'm going to divide that by -3, I would have -15 divided by -3. Okay, now I'm going to use my multiply divide rules, which tell me the same signs positive, different signs negative. So look at their signs. 15 is negative, 3 is negative. To me, that looks like same sign. So same sign, my answer is positive, whatever 15 divided by 3 is, which of course is 5. So number 1 is 5. Number 2, I have 33 over. If you see the word over, that's like the horizontal fraction bar. So 33 over -11. Okay, so I'm dividing. Let's use my multiply divide rules, which tell me same signs positive, different signs negative. So look at their signs. 33 is positive, 11 is negative. So different signs. I know my answer is negative, whatever 33 divided by 11 is, which of course is 3, right? So number 2 would be -3. Okay, number 5 here, it says -72. Then you have the diagonal slash, which I tell you means divided by. Okay, anytime you have a diagonal slash like that, that is the exact same thing as a horizontal fraction bar. So this could also be written like this. These two things are the exact same thing. Okay, the horizontal fraction bar or the diagonal slash, that is division. Okay, so I'm going to use my multiply divide rules, same signs positive, different signs here. They have different signs, so my answer is negative, whatever 72 divided by 9 is, which of course is 8, right? So -8. Again, your fact fluency is so important. You must master your multiplication facts. You should have them mastered already, but if you don't, you need to practice by using MobyMax fact fluency. All right, look at number 8 right here. -77 divided by 11. These have different signs, so answer is negative, whatever 77 divided by 11 is, which of course is 7. So -7. Number 10, I have -8 divided by -6. To me, it looks like they have same sign, right? Would you agree? 48 is negative, 6 is negative. So same signs add. Am I going to say same signs add if I'm dividing? No, I'm not going to say same signs add. I'm going to say same signs positive, different signs negative. These have same signs, so answer is positive, whatever 48 divided by 6 is, which of course is 8, right? So +8. Okay, let's look at number 17. It says the value of a car decreased $5,100 over 3 years. On average, how much did its value decrease each year? So if the car decreases this much, if it decreases, of course, I'm going to use a negative sign. So it went down $5,100 over 3 years. And so if I want to find the average of how much it decreased each year, I would take my total amount that it decreased and divide it by the number of years. So negative 5,100 divided by 3 is going to be negative one of these. Okay, so you figure out how much it decreased each year. 18, temperature in a potter's kiln dropped 760 degrees. If it dropped, that's going down, of course. I'm going to represent that with a negative integer. It dropped this much in 4 hours. So on average, how much did the temperature drop per hour? So similar to number 17, you take your total amount that it dropped, in this case, -760, and you divide it by the number of hours, which of course is 4. So -760 divided by 4, these have different signs. So my answer will be negative one of these. So what's 760 divided by 4? That'll give you your answer. 19, 4 investors lost 24%. So if you lose 24%, we represent that with a negative integer. So I'm going down 24% of their combined investment in a company. On average, how much did each investor lose? So in total, they lost 24%. I'm going to take that and divide it by the number of investors. And that's going to give me the average that each investor lost. So different signs negative was 24 divided by 4. That would be 6, right? So each investor on average lost 6%. Okay, number 20 right here, be sure you follow order of operations. I have 5 times -8 divided by 4. Okay, so be sure that you follow order of operations. This is multiplication. Of course, this is division. Remember that we multiply and divide from what direction to what direction? from left to right. Okay, so be sure you go from the left side of the expression to the right side of the expression. Okay, once you submit, view your score. If you miss any, click edit response to fix the ones that you missed so that eventually you get every problem correct.